Dear students, this is Sunita Mishra. So you know that we are studying chapter tissues, and in previous class I taught you about the xylem. What is xylem? Xylem is a complex permanent tissue. Now today the next part of the complex permanent tissue, that is phloem, we are going to learn about the phloem. So phloem, it has divided into 4 parts. What are they? These are sieve tube, companion cell, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. Now first, what are sieve tube? So structure, sieve tubes are elongated, they tube-like cells placed end to end. Okay. Then the cell wall of the sieve tube, it contains the pores and the end walls are perforated, and these are known as the sieve plate. So within the sieve tube, there are the perforated pores which are known as the sieve plate. Then what is the function of the sieve tube? The function is translocation of the food. Translocation means transportation of the food from the leaves to the different parts of the plant. Then the second structure of the phloem is companion cell. What is the structure of the companion cell? It is thin-walled cells with a large elongated nucleus and active cytoplasm. Okay, and what is the function? Its function is that it helps in the also translocation of the food. Along with the sieve tube, it also helps in the translocation of the food. Then the other part of the phloem is known as the phloem parenchyma. So structure of the phloem parenchyma is, they are thin-walled living parenchyma cells they are having. And what is the function? They store food and lateral help conduction of the food. That means they are helping in the lateral conduction of the food. Then comes to the fourth one structure of phloem, that these are known as the phloem fibers, or we can say it as a bast fibers also. What is the structure? That these are thick-walled dead sclerenchymatous cells. Okay, the dead, because sclerenchyma is a dead tissue. Bast fibers obtained from some plants like jute, hemp, flax has commercial or economical value. Okay, so these bast fibers of some plants, these can be used for making ropes, for making bags, for making jute items, for making the things which are manufactured from hemp, flax, etc. Okay, what is the function? Its function is that it gives mechanical support to the plant. Now, if we tell about all the overall function of the phloem, then what is the function of the phloem? That it transports the prepared fruit from leaves to the storage organs. Storage organs are maybe roots, maybe stem, and after from these storage organs, the food is transferred to the growing regions of the plant body. So this is all about the phloem, that is a complex permanent tissue. I will teach you the next topic in my next class.